friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a Valentine's Day cupcake. So first we're going to get started with the face. So on the left hand side, we're going to start by drawing in a circle for our left eye. And now let's leave quite a big gap in the middle. We're going to come over on the right and we're going to replicate that. Moving down on the bottom now, we're going to curve this line around and then up on the side. On the top left-hand side, we're going to draw in a circle for the highlight. And then now moving across, we're going to draw in another small circle for the second highlight. Now for the mouth, on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line out for the corner. And then we're going to arch this line across for the top. Underneath, we're going to draw in a small arch line from left to right. And then we're going to close this off by curving this line over towards the right. Now we're going to draw in the cupcake frosting coming down. So first we're going to have it dripping. So just above our left eye, we're going to curve this line down, up, back over. And then from that line, we're going to curve this line around and then up on the right. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to continue this drip as it comes down. So we're going to bring this down beside our eye, curving this line in and then back up, ending this at roughly the same height. And then now from here, we're just going to draw in a small curved line that arches out on the left. Above both eyes, we're just going to draw in a small curved line that comes down. Now let's draw on the bottom of the cupcake. So on both sides, we're going to draw in a curved diagonal line that comes down towards the bottom. And then now we're going to close this off from left to right with a nice big curved line. Now let's move up and draw on the frosting. So on both sides, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then we're going to draw in a small curved line, leaving a gap in the middle. Stepping up again, we're going to curve this line around, back up. And then again, curving this line in. As we move up on the left-hand side, now we're going to arch this line in. And then we're going to draw in a curved line, bringing that across towards the right. Now on the top again, curving this line over. And then from that point, we're going to arch this line in, out, and then connecting that down on the right. Now we're going to draw in some sprinkled hearts for the confetti. So in the center, we're going to draw in a heart on a diagonal. Coming down on the right, we're going to draw in another heart on a diagonal. And then we're going to do the same on the left. Let's come up on the right-hand side now, drawing in another heart. And then we'll do the same on the left. One last time in the free space on the right-hand side, we're going to draw in our last heart for the bottom. Now let's move up. So in the center again, drawing in another heart. We're going to move down on the right. Let's draw in another one on the top right-hand side this time, as well as over on the left. Let's move up in the middle of this row now, drawing in another heart. And then we'll do the same on the right. Let's move over on the left. And then we're going to draw one last heart at the very top of our icing. Let's move over on the right hand side. Now we're going to draw in a nice big heart. So in the center, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then from the middle again, just curving this line back around and then through towards the bottom. We're going to draw in 2 straight lines that come down, sticking into the cupcake. Now we're going to draw in the letter X on the left. Beside that, the letter O. We're going to draw in another X. And then one more time, the letter O. Lastly, we're going to draw in one more heart on the left-hand side. So coming up, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then to the left of that, arching this line back around and then in towards the middle. And then again, just 2 diagonal lines that stick into the frosting. Adding some details here on the right, we're going to curve this line up, leaving a gap, replicating that. And then one more time as we come down on the left. And that is it. That's how you draw a cute Valentine's Day cupcake. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.